My favorite part about working at Viking is every day is different. You're working with quality, you're working with applications engineers, you could be working with the foundry. It just depends on the day and what problems need to be solved. One of the things that I like about my job is the educational standpoint behind it. Sometimes I learn more here at work than I did when I was in school. Coming out of school, I didn't know everything. I had really good team members around me, and Viking definitely gave me a platform to learn and grow. Right now, I'm the supervisor of the programming department. I've been with Viking just over 10 years. I started as a process technician and then worked my way into being a program process tech. I then became the lead and then moved to the supervisor role. The culture, especially in our group, is a strong team environment, which I strongly enjoy. Growing up, I was always involved in sports and enjoyed working as a team. Everybody's there to help you. You can't know everything. There's always a resource, and people are willing to reach out and give you a hand if you need help. That's a big thing for me because we're involved in so many different projects and different roles and responsibilities. With Viking, they touch so many different lives and all the household goods that are pumped through their pumps and everything. People don't realize what Viking Pump is actually involved in. They have pumps on 7 different continents, so all of them. I learn something new every day, and that's one of the things that I like about my job. It's definitely challenging at times, but I do enjoy that. I'm Kyle Ungs. I'm the CNC programming supervisor for Viking Pump.